Wow, so today we will be writing Chapter 2. Chapter 1 was amazing. Let's go to a new page. And this page has a new picture. You'll probably want to draw your snake maybe in its home in the swamp or in a tree. But let's do the writing first. So let's start with Chapter 2. Capital C, dive down H, magic C, A, dive down P, up around and bump the P, dive down T, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, dive down R. Chapter 2. Dot, dot. And the name of this chapter is Animal Habitat. Capital A, dive down N, dive down I, dive down M with 2 hills, magic C A, dive down L. Animal, let's do habitat. Capital H, magic C, dive down B, swim up around and bump the B, dive down I, dive down T, magic C A, dive down T. Habitat. And then our topic sentence will be, the homes of anacondas have many features. Capital T, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, leave a finger space, dive down H, the homes, magic C O, dive down M, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, magic C S, the homes of, leave a finger space, magic C O, dive down F, and then the homes of anacondas, magic C A, dive down N, magic C A, magic C, magic C O, dive down N, magic C D, up like a helicopter, back down, magic C A, magic C S. The homes of anacondas have many features, so leave a finger space. Have, dive down H, magic C A, slide down, slide up for the V, hit the ball, run around the bases for the E. Have many features. Let me move this up a little bit. Many. Dive down M, magic C A, dive down N, slide, slide. Many, leave a finger space. Features, dive down F, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, magic C A, dive down T, dive down U, dive down R, hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Features. There's the S at the end, magic CS. Don't forget your period. Then let's write, first, anacondas live in South America. Capital F, dive down I, dive down R, magic CS, dive down T. First, leave a finger space. Anacondas, magic CA, dive down N, magic CA, magic C, magic CO, dive down N, Magic C, D, up like a helicopter, back down. Magic C, A, Magic C, S. First, anacondas live. Let me move this up a little. Dive down L, dive down I, slide down, slide up for the V, hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Live, leave a finger space for in, dive down I, dive down N, leave another finger space for South America, capital S, magic C-O, dive down U, dive down T, dive down H, south, and then let's write America on the next line. Capital A, dive down M, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, dive down R, dive down I, magic C, magic C, A, period. Wow. Then let's write next, they live in the rainforest. That is so cool. I think rainforest is super cool. Capital N, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, slide, slide for the X, dive down T and comma. Next, they leave a finger space, dive down T, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, slide, slide for the Y. They live in the rainforest. Live, dive down L, dive down I, slide, slide, magic C, live, leave a finger space, in, dive down I, dive down N, leave a finger space for the, dive down T, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base for E, and now rainforest. I think, let's put rain here, dive down R, magic C, A, dive down I, dive down N, let's put a little dash, and let's put forest down here, dive down F, magic C, O, dive down R, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, magic C, S, dive down T. That's a great sentence. And then last, I think your research says that they make a home in swamps and trees. Let's do a capital L for last. Magic C, A, magic C, S, dive down T, comma. Leave a finger space for they, dive down T, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base for E, slide, slide for Y. They make, dive down M, magic C, A, dive down K, kick in, kick out, hit the ball, run around the base for an E. They make a, magic C, A, leave a finger space, home, dive down H, magic C, O, dive down M, hit the ball, run around the base. They make a home in, dive down I, dive down N, leave a finger space. Now swamps. Swamps are cool with all the water. Magic C, S, slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up for the W. Magic C, A, dive down M, dive down P, up around and bump the P. Magic C, S. And leave a finger space for and. Magic C, A. Dive down N. Magic C, D. Swim up like a helicopter and back down. And the last word in this sentence is trees. Dive down T. Dive down R. Hit the ball, run around the base twice for trees. Magic CS, period. Wow. Last, they make a home in swamps and trees. Here's the last sentence. The conclusion is, in fact, anaconda homes are cool. Let's do capital I. Dive down N. Leave a finger space. Dive down F. Magic C, A. Magic C. Dive down T. In fact, comma. Let's do anaconda. Magic C, A. Dive down N. Magic C, A. Magic C. Magic C, O. Dive down N. Magic C, D. Up like a helicopter, back down. Magic C, A. In fact, anaconda homes. Leave a finger space. Dive down H. Magic C, O. Dive down M. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Magic C, S. Anaconda homes are Magic C, A. Dive down R. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Are cool. Magic C. Magic C, O. Magic C, O. Dive down L. Let's do an exclamation point because they are cool. Wow, what a great job. This is an amazing chapter with all of your research. Take a little bit of time. You can do this in maybe 1 day, 2 days, or 3 days. It's up to you. Enjoy this chapter, and then we will have chapter 3 coming up next, the last chapter of your book. Bye now.